In the fast-paced world of automotive sales, managing leads, follow-ups, and customer interactions efficiently can make or break your dealership's performance. VinSolutions CRM is purpose-built for automotive dealerships to streamline the entire customer life cycle, from lead generation to long-term retention. This all-in-one customer relationship management platform helps sales teams stay organized, close more deals, and deliver personalized experiences at every stage. In this video, we'll walk you through VinSolutions core features, explain how they improve your workflow, and show why this CRM remains a top choice for dealerships in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized lead management. VinSolutions consolidates all your leads, whether they come from your website, third-party sources, or walk-ins, into a single, easy-to-navigate platform. Leads are automatically assigned to the right team members based on your custom rules. No more missed opportunities or scattered information. Centralized lead handling ensures quick follow-ups and increases your chances of converting prospects into buyers. Another key feature is the automated follow-up and communication tools. The CRM includes built-in tools to automate personalized email and text follow-ups, appointment reminders, and task notifications. You can create campaigns that nurture prospects without needing constant manual effort. You can stay on top of mind with every lead. Automation boosts engagement, improves lead retention, and frees your team to focus on closing deals instead of managing reminders. Another key feature is the customer insights and deal history. VinSolutions gives you a full view of each customer's buying journey, past purchases, service visits, communication history, and preferences. This data helps tailor interactions and anticipate customer needs. Personalized service increases trust and loyalty. With rich insights, sales reps can offer more relevant recommendations and improve customer satisfaction. Another key feature is the integrated desking and deal tools. You can quickly structure deals, calculate payments, run credit checks, and present purchase options directly within the CRM. VinSolutions integrates with your DMS and other dealership systems for real-time accuracy. This speeds up the sales process and creates a smoother customer experience. Reps can build deals on the fly with accurate, up-to-date numbers, improving transparency and closing speed. Another key feature is the mobile access and on-the-go functionality. With the VinSolutions Connect mobile app, salespeople can access lead data, communication tools, and appointment schedules from anywhere on the lot or beyond. Mobility gives reps the flexibility to work efficiently away from their desks. You can update lead details, send follow-ups, and manage your pipeline from your phone or tablet. Another key feature is the sales and team performance analytics. The platform provides dashboards and reporting tools that give managers insight into lead response times, close rates, team productivity, and more. You can track KPIs and coach your team for better outcomes. Real time performance data helps you fine tune your sales strategy. Managers can quickly spot gaps, recognize top performers, and improve overall team efficiency. So, why is VinSolutions CRM a great choice? VinSolutions CRM is purpose built for automotive sales, offering tools that fit the way dealerships operate. What sets it apart in 2025 is its deep integration with dealership systems and its ability to automate complex tasks without sacrificing personalization. Its mobile friendly interface, intuitive design, and real time syncing help teams work smarter and not harder. Whether you're a salesperson managing your pipeline or a sales manager looking to boost team performance, VinSolution supports both roles seamlessly. The platform is also continually updated to stay ahead of changing customer expectations and dealership needs. From AI driven lead scoring to enhanced messaging tools, it evolves to give you a competitive edge in the automotive market. Another major benefit is the support ecosystem. VinSolutions offers onboarding, training, and dealer specific resources that ensure teams can fully leverage the system without a steep learning curve. So basically, VinSolutions CRM simplifies and enhances every aspect of the automotive sales process. By centralizing lead data, automating communication, and enabling fast, informed deal making, it empowers dealership teams to close more deals and build long term customer relationships. In 2025's competitive automotive landscape, staying organized and responsive is key. Vin Solutions helps you meet buyers where they are, personalize every interaction, and create a dealership experience that builds loyalty and boosts sales. So start using VinSolutions today and take your automotive sales performance to the next level with a CRM built specifically for your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.